The DJI Air 2S was released in 2021 with a foldable design, which was a substantial improvement over previous models. DJI typically takes 2 to 3 years to make design changes, so the new information about the upcoming Air 3 that we found recently got us really excited. Now, what features will we get to see and what are our expectations? Stay till the end to find out. Well, a set of rumored specifications for the DJI Air 3 along with leaked images and a video are providing insights into what we can expect from this upcoming mid-range drone. The most exciting news is that it's likely to feature a new telephoto lens similar to the one recently seen on the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. According to a reliable DJI source, Quadro News, the DJI Air 3 is expected to include either a 1/1.3-inch mid-telephoto lens with a 3x zoom like the Mavic 3 Pro or a 1/2-inch telephoto lens with a 7x zoom. Although these are not technically considered zoom lenses, these longer focal lengths would provide a convenient way to capture photos and videos of distant subjects, especially those that are off-limits for legal flying. Due to the constantly evolving regulations concerning flying certifications in the US and EU, adjustments may be required in the upcoming Air 3. We really hope that the Air 3 would have the Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS sensor with a physical aperture. This sensor can easily produce 5.7K 60 FPS footage, but from the photos, it's clear that DJI has no plan to incorporate that. Currently, the Air 2S weighs approximately 595 grams. In order to accommodate a larger camera and additional sensors, the new Air drone will definitely undergo slight modifications to its body shape. Although the leaked images are not very clear or high resolution, they reveal a larger camera module on the drone, indicating that it's likely been enhanced to accommodate the additional lens. Incorporating an extra lens in the DJI Air 3 would align with DJI's current product lineup, providing aerial photographers with a compelling reason to opt for the newer drone over the compact and highly capable DJI Mini 3 Pro. However, there are currently no substantial rumors suggesting an improved battery life for the DJI Air 3. The Air 2S offers a flight time of up to 31 minutes, and if DJI incorporates the intelligent flight battery technology from the Mini 3 Pro, we could expect a flight time of 45 minutes or even more. And when it comes to important drone features, there are potential upgrades to consider. Instead of the current 4-direction obstacle sensing, we might witness the introduction of omnidirectional sensing, Active Track 5.0, and APAS 5.0. Accommodating a larger battery within a more compact body is challenging. Despite these upgrades, it's expected that DJI will maintain the same price as their Air 2S at its initial launch. This strategy aims to attract a broader audience to explore semi-professional drones, thereby benefiting the overall DJI brand. Now, let's address the most asked question: what will be the price? In the drone market, there's a significant price difference between the $900 Mini 3 Pro and the $1,750 Mavic 3 Classic. DJI is in need of a product that falls in between, offering slightly more capabilities and features than the Mini 3 Pro while also improving upon the Air 2S. A price range of $1,300 to $1,500 seems fitting for bridging that gap. Therefore, it's anticipated that the Air 3 will release with a price tag similar to it more or less. Last year, we talked about the potential arrival date in the Q3 of 2023, and as per rumors, June or July is the time we'll get to see the Air 3. If everything goes right, DJI Air 3 will get all the attention just like the Mavic 3 Classic got last year. So what do you think about the upcoming DJI Air 3? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching.